bulldozer is a symbol of oppression. It's a symbol of destruction. It's the symbol used by Putin to suppress people. But when people revolt against such suppression, no bulldozer can withstand it. The other version of bulldozer is the tank. Could the big tanks, Russian or American or whatever, could they withstand the assault of the Afghan people? No. Could these bulldozers suppress the Vietnamese in 60s and 70s? No. Could the Pakistan army suppress the Bengalis of East Pakistan? No. Bulldozer as a symbol is against democracy. It cannot stand for long. Yes, temporarily it can create a few psychosis, but finally it will all become useless, like the thousands of tanks around Afghanistan. To so much power to ordinary people to break their houses, to break the slums, is not a healthy thing. Yes, for some time people can show their power to break the slums and break the resident houses, but everything will collapse. I don't want my India to collapse. I want people to resist such bulldozer attitude and to protect our dear democracy, our dear constitution, and our dear nation.